Okay, so this is my ferro rod fire starter. Has a nice loop to throw it over your head so you can wear it as a necklace. It's really easy to use. I tried this out before I filmed it, obviously. Simple blow your nose tissue. Just kind of shred it up. So it's got a nice little bed of bedding for the sparks to shower into. Something like that. When you get it, it'll have this nice black coating on it. Once you scrape away, it'll be the metal, shiny metal. That's when it'll actually start sparking. But hold the rod, put it down in that nice little tinder pile. There it goes. And voila, you got fire. I let my son play with this, learn how to start fires with these, and even after a camping trip, he still had plenty of rod to learn how to make his little fire for your Alaskan education. But if you have any more questions, give me a shout out.